Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to join a party in Apex Legends so you can play with your friends. First, make sure you're on the main lobby screen. Next, look at the left side of your screen and open up your friends list. On PC, you can usually press Shift Tab if you're on Steam, and then click on a friends icon, and then an option here shows that you can join their game. If the friend you want to join is already in a party, what you have to do is just right click on their name to join their party. If they haven't made a party yet, you can invite them by clicking invite to party or your left mouse button, and they just need to accept it. You can also join a party through an invite. When someone invites you, a notification will pop up on your screen. Just click accept and you'll automatically join their party. Once you're in a party, you'll see your squad members next to you in the main lobby screen. That means you're ready to queue together. And that's it. That is how to join a party in Apex Legends.